Happy New Year, everyone! Let's start this year with a new theme package. Meet Gravity Tower, our new theme package for WordPress and Joomla. It's perfect for a real estate, architect project, or any other building-related website. This theme is all about sticky parallax effects, and we created some really special ones. Gravity Tower comes with 9 content-rich page layouts, great-looking styles, and many beautiful images. Want to know more? Let's take a look. Gravity Tower comes with 9 different layouts for all kinds of page types. All layouts can be easily loaded from the library with just a click. Here's a walkthrough of all the highlights. The homepage starts with a really special hero section. The property image stretches for multiple viewports and presents its details in popovers. Cloud images slightly animate on scrolling, giving the property a more realistic look. Further project details are shown in varied sections. There are multi-layered images which move with different speeds on scrolling, a video with a parallax effect that opens in the lightbox, as well as animated text. A real highlight is the interior section. Here, the images are positioned side by side, and thanks to the parallax effect, the section scrolls horizontally, looking like a slideshow. Next, there is a slider with images showing places in the neighborhood and a contact section. It reveals the footer and shows the project name with a parallax effect, which gives the page a nice ending. The development page is a case study of the project. Here again, the page starts with a long section where images are absolutely positioned in the fore and background of the headline and move with different speeds while scrolling. Next comes an About section with multi-layered images and information about the architect, which reveals a section with key facts about the property. It's followed by a grid with amenities and a sticky section with a background video and floating images. Here you will also find a list of partners and a call to action section. The location page also has tons of parallax effects. It starts with a prominent video, which scales up to fully cover the viewport. It's followed by a quote with integrated images and a sticky section with a map showing the neighborhood. Then there are 2 sections with neighborhood impressions. First, we have a sticky parallax section with multi-layered images, followed by a nice image-on-image section with a horizontally scrolling headline. Next comes a section with images moving in the fore and background and a call to action. The apartments page starts with a hero section with absolutely positioned images. Next, there is a sticky section where the headline is in the background and animated impression images in the foreground. It's followed by a nice-looking interior section with full-width images. The kitchen and bathroom are shown in a series of images with a sticky text column. The page ends with 2 pricing tables and a call to action. Of course, there is also a contact page. It starts with a background video and images of the sales team, followed by further information about them. The page ends with a call to action again. Gravity Tower also has a news page that starts with a parallax effect. It shows the latest news in a 2-column layout. What's really special is that the post images have different orientation and are shown in a shifted layout. The post page starts with the post title and meta information, followed by the post image, which scales up to take the whole viewport. The post itself is aligned on the left, and information about the author is sticky on the right. Latest posts are shown at the bottom. Gravity Tower has an imprint page for the legal information with a sticky column. Finally, there is also an Error 404 page in a secondary color showing a link back to the homepage. Our Gravity Tower theme is packed with fancy parallax effects. They are often used with sections which are multiple viewports high. For Gravity Tower, we used 3 different types of the parallax effects. This is a new one. We are so excited we could create a horizontal scrolling effect in YOOtheme Pro. Now let's see how it works. We start as usual with a section that is multiple viewports high, in our case 3 viewports, and a sticky column within. In this column we have 4 images. First of all, set the absolute position of all images except for the first one, so they stack on top of each other. Now, using custom CSS, we need to move each image 100% further to the right so they appear side by side. Finally, we just need to animate the horizontal position of the images in the parallax options to -300%. This will move the whole row to the left while scrolling. Pretty cool, right? Next, we have a sticky background effect, as used for the amenities section on the development page. Here we have a row with a column which has a height of 1 viewport and is sticky within its section. We also added a video to the column background. And in the second row, we added relatively positioned elements. Finally, using custom CSS, we pull the second row above the previous one. We also have various sticky columns, for example in the bathroom and kitchen section on the apartments page. Here we have one sticky column and another column that defines the height of the row. If you want to know how to create sticky parallax effects in general, take a look at our dedicated documentation. Alternatively, just load any of the Gravity Tower layouts from the layout library and use the parallax effects on your site right away. Gravity Tower has a modern flat style with elegant pastel colors. A beige background contrasts with a darker blue secondary color. The same color scheme is used throughout the UI elements, like buttons and forms, which switch these colors on hover focus. A little playfulness is added with the rounded buttons and a nice button text animation. But especially the combination of the refined thin serif font for headlines and the sans serif font for the running text, as well as a thin bottom border on forms, will give your website a classy and sophisticated look. In addition to the default style, Gravity Tower comes with 5 other style variations, each with a different beautiful color scheme. There are 3 more light styles and 2 dark ones, all with elegant classic colors. As always, you can switch the whole look and feel of your website with just a click. Simply choose what fits your website best. As the first theme, Gravity Tower uses the horizontal Justify layout introduced in YOOtheme Pro 3.0, where all items are equally distributed within the navbar. Since Gravity Tower does not focus on content structure, it only uses dynamic content for its blog and post pages. It has 1 custom field in WordPress for the post intro image and 2 custom fields for the author in both Joomla and WordPress. Gravity Tower comes with more than 70 lovingly curated and free-to-use images. They can be found in the Gravity Tower collection in the Unsplash library. So these are the features of our new Gravity Tower theme package for WordPress and Joomla. Now go ahead and explore it yourself. As always, we're looking forward to your feedback, so let us know what you think in the comments below.